Hello, this is Stacy from the craft blog trulymajestic.com. But today I'm not going to talk to you about crafts or about knitting. This is an urgent prayer request because we are at a tipping point for all humanity, starting from Halloween Day 2021 and going to November 12th, 2021. The 26th Climate Change Summit will be held with over 100 global leaders and over 20,000 delegates. This is happening in Glasgow, UK. Under the guise of green discussions, the global leaders have been silently taking away the freedoms of the nations of the entire world. Get this, guys. The entire world is losing its freedoms by the talks these guys are having under the guise of green. So I'm asking you to pray for this summit, which is happening right now as I'm speaking. Pray that evil will be exposed, that righteous men will put forth solutions that do not infringe on our God-given freedoms. I'm asking anyone who is a serious Christian to come and join my husband and I for warfare prayer right now. We are dealing with principalities and powers. This is a serious thing, and we are at a tipping point for humanity, like I said. I made a page specifically for prayer, so you guys can all come and pray. Not only pray, share your visions that God has given you. Share your dreams, or share the words that God has given you to speak, if it's pertaining to that topic, or really for the encouragement of us all, whatever it is. Please, please, please spread the word. This is happening right now as I'm sharing this message with you. Bring it to your Bible study groups. Bring this word to your churches. Pray anywhere you can, everywhere you can. Share it with your friends. Set time aside, because this is a teeny tiny window of opportunity. Our prayers change things. As Christians, we know that we are more than overcomers. We are salt and light of the earth, and our prayers shake the heavens, they change the earth, and they bring down strongholds and take down principalities and powers. So please come and pray. Please share this video. Please tell people, and the link to the prayer page that I've created is in the description. Please come and share your thoughts, share your prayers, and let's all pray together as a globe. No matter what nation you're in, this summit is going to affect you. What comes out of this summit will affect you. We as Christians have to pray. God bless you. Thank you for praying, and thank you for watching this. I'll talk to you later, and God bless you.